We're searching for treasure in Grandpa's barn. We don't know what's inside or where it comes from. Welcome to Grandpa's barn. Let's start exploring. Ooh, what's that standing on top of the hay bale? Do you know? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, light it up! It's a baby Triceratops. Look at those 3 horns on his head. Ooh, what's that stretching from the floor to the roof of the barn? Do you know? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, light it up! It's a baby Brontosaurus. Oh, hello, baby Brontosaurus. What a long neck you have. Do you see something perched on the shelf at the top of the barn? What could it be? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, light it up! It's a baby Pterodactyl. Whoa, Pterodactyl, what a long beak you have. Oh, look, I see one more thing right in the middle of Grandpa's barn. Do you know what it is? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, light it up! It's a baby Velociraptor. Ooh, what sharp claws and teeth you have. I hope you're not hungry, baby Velociraptor. Great job, kids. You found all of the dinosaurs. But have you found Grandpa? Where could he be?
There he is!
Oh, there he is! Right beside the Brontosaurus. Oh, Grandpa. Join us next time when we visit Grandpa's barn. We're searching for treasure in Grandpa's barn. We don't know what's inside or where it comes from.
Thank you for watching the Mik Maks, the Family Fun Collective. Follow the links in the description to find out more about us. We'll see you at a show real soon.